try that again. Perfectly shaken. Hey coffee aficionados, it's time to talk about cold brew coffee. If you didn't know or haven't heard, it's pretty wonderful. If you're not a fan of the acidic and bitter taste of drip coffee, then cold brew is for you. It has a more subtle and naturally sweet taste, so you can skip the sugar. It's also more concentrated than conventionally brewed coffee, so a little bit goes a long way. To make an authentic cold brew, you need the perfect cold brew kit. We're gonna talk about the Brim cold brew maker and its great features. Let's get started. I use single origin beans that I grind fresh. Today we're gonna be using the Brim conical burr grinder, and we're gonna set it to coarse. It's gonna give us a grind size similar to French press. The great thing about the conical burr grinder is it's gonna have a uniform grind size, which is gonna taste great in your coffee. Let's get grinding. Perfectly ground. Now that we've ground out our coffee, it's time to wet our filter. And I'm gonna place it at the bottom of this brew. Next, we're gonna add our coffee. This is a standard 12-ounce bag's worth of coffee, which makes it really convenient for our recipe today. Now we're gonna measure out our water. In this decanter, there's a mark, and we're gonna fill that twice. We're gonna evenly distribute over the bed to make sure everything gets wet. And don't worry, it won't drip through. There's actually a convenient valve on the bottom of this. Now we're ready for our second batch of water. Make sure that you are using filtered water for the best extraction. Now we're just gonna submerge the grounds. We're just gonna stir the top of this and push down all the grounds to make sure everything is evenly saturated. And that's it. We're just gonna chill and let the cold brew process begin. Chill living, slowing down, cold brew fits in with this way of life. A slow process that extracts rich and sweet flavors from the coffee bean. Now it's time to decant. So there's a valve that I mentioned before. Once we place it on the decanter, it's gonna immediately drip. This process is gonna take a couple minutes. Now that it's done dripping, can just cover the decanter. You can store this in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. It'll retain all the caffeine, flavor, and aroma, and we're gonna go through some of those right now. So we're gonna do between 2 and 3 parts of either water, milk, or ice, and then 1 part cold brew. And if you do need cream, I really like the way that almond milk tastes with cold brew. The almond flavor is gonna pair really nice with the chocolate profile of the cold brew. Enjoy. Coffee tasting is an experience, and so is the preparation. Brewed slowly, with intention and passion. The Brim cold brew maker allows you to make high quality coffee concentrate easily, with the skill and passion of an artisan.